Fasteners World, a world-class warehousing solution park. Fasteners World is strategically located just 45 kilometers from Mumbai at Bhiwandi on the Mumbai-Nashik Highway. Being located at Bhiwandi, Fasteners also enjoys the benefit of being in an octroi-free zone. This location gives you added advantage with its connectivity to Pune, Nashik and Ahmedabad. Sprawled across 12 acres of land with the strategic advantage of easy connectivity, close to all industrial zones. Fasteners World is the perfect answer for the space requirements of retail, go down and business offices to effectively boost their supply chain management. Fasteners World is a warehousing hub designed to address all your needs for a well-planned and designed space. Its wide internal and external roads are specially designed for huge diagonal containers to move swiftly. The Phase 1 of the project consists of 2 building structures having ground plus 2 floors with 22 offices each on every floor. Each unit is spaciously designed, which gives you flexibility of design choice with various options of customization in place. 3 options A, B and C are showcased here. The Phase 2 of the project consists of 1 building structure having ground plus 2 floors with only 18 offices in total for sale. Each of these 18 offices would consist of ground level plus 2 upper floors, which will be internally connected through a stairwell. Phase 2 also gives you various options of customization, and you can plan each of the floors in a unique way, keeping in mind some recreation activities also, as showcased here in 1 custom option for planning the 3 floors for office use. Both Phase 1 and Phase 2 have an international standard plush lobby with capsule lifts for convenience and style. The lobby provides entrance to each office area with rich ambience to give your business a new look. Fasteners World also helps you get all the associated services like plating, cutting, welding, threading, all in-house with a different zone planned for all these service providers to set up their business units. Services like healthcare, transport, courier services also are inside the same vicinity, so that you don't have to worry about anything. Our mission is to provide you with emerging, effective and world-class warehousing solution. With its strategic location, various cost advantages, quality infrastructure and ecosystem, Fasteners World is the perfect location to take your business to the next level. Fasteners World. Trust, innovation and perfection.